Hello, once again, this is Antonio, and I'm coming at you with another exciting video. Now, in this video, what we like to converse about is Dad didn't really know that his VA benefits could be garnished for child support payments. Well, he found out the hard way. Before we dive into the video, once again, thank you all to my new subscribers. We're on the road to 7,000. Make sure you hit the notification bell. You can support the channel through Cash App and Super Chat. Let's dive into the content. I'll give my feedback in the end.
I didn't know I had to pay child support. I never got any letters from Wisconsin.
What do you mean you didn't know anything about this?
I was in the military for 14 years.
Couldn't we get income withholding out to the VA? I mean, that's collectible for child support.
And this all is actually stressing me out.
This is the date and time set for a friend of the court show cause hearing regarding child support. Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney today?
No, sir.
Okay. Ms. Mullen, please call the case.
Thank you. This is the matter of Sarah Porter versus Bradley Porter. This is a Wisconsin support order registered in Michigan, May 25th, 2023, confirmed September 13th, 2023, which under a Wisconsin order for support from November 15th, 2021, Mr. Porter is ordered to pay $1,350 per month for 2 children, and Michigan took over the case in September of last year. Arrears at the time of registration was $28,578.83 as of August 2023, and the current balance owed is now $35,363.83, of which $35,328.83 is owed to Ms. Porter in child support, and then there are fees. There have been no payments on the account since charges began in Michigan, September 2023.
So do we have any accounting that would show like when the last payment was made ever on this case?
I would have to probably do some grabbing into the file here.
It looks like maybe some payments, income withholding was reflected in September of 2022 is what it looks like. Would you concur, Ms. Mullen?
I would, Your Honor.
Okay, so we're looking at the last payment in this case was made almost 2 years ago. And how long have you lived in Kingsley for?
Since 2020.
Okay. All right. And do you have any health issues?
Actually, I have PTSD I was in the military for 14 years.
Okay. And do you receive any kind of
Yes,
VA?
I receive.
Go ahead.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Yes, I do.
Okay. I'm not an expert in that area, but I mean, what is the percentage?
I'm at 80%, sir.
Well, Ms. Mullen, couldn't we get income withholding out to the VA? I mean, that's collectible for child support.
We're not able to garnish VA benefits, but it is used for purposes of determining income. So Mr. Porter would have to make payments on his own.
So, Mr. Porter, when were you determined disabled through the VA?
2018.
Okay. All right. And how are you doing? I mean, how are you feeling at this point?
Well, to be honest, my back hurts every day. I'm not good in crowds. And this all is actually stressing me out because I didn't even know child support was still going on because the divorce that Sarah filed in Wisconsin ended in like 2021. So I thought all of this was dropped. But I didn't know I had to pay child support. I never got any letters from Wisconsin, and I'm willing to start paying on it. I just did not understand that.
When did you first start getting paperwork from the court here in Traverse City on this case?
I just got it literally when I got this piece of paper saying I had to show up for court for a show cause. I didn't receive anything in the mail.
And do we have the right mailing address for you?
Yes, sir, because it says 34 Kingsley, Michigan. If I would have known how to start paying, I would have started paying on it. I didn't know because I thought since the case in Wisconsin was dropped, and I didn't even understand why it was still in Wisconsin until, I guess, 2023, when Sarah's been here since 2021.
And then, so how do you have any other source of income besides the VA disability?
I do ship too, so I deliver groceries for people.
Okay. How much do you get each month for VA disability?
Like 2,100, I believe.
Okay. And what is your current housing situation?
So I live at the house. I pay $1,249 a month plus electric and plus everything like utilities.
And are you current on all those payments?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anybody else that resides in
No,
the household?
not anymore. There was for a little while, but they basically just abruptly left me. So now I'm the only one that's providing for that house.
What's your transportation situation look like?
So I have a vehicle, but the vehicle is registered to me and my dad because back in May of 2022, I was in a car accident where I totaled the vehicle that I had. So my dad had to help me get a loan for the vehicle I'm in now.
Okay.
But the vehicle's actually, the loan's actually under his name. I just pay on it every month.
And how much is the loan?
I think when I got the vehicle it was $33,000.
And what is your monthly payment?
500. I pay about $540 a month. I think it's like $525, but I pay about $540 just to make sure I'm never late.
And do you pay that to your father?
No, I just go to Forefront Bank and I pay it there. I have the loan number and stuff, and they allow me to pay on the vehicle.
And is that are the payments on that loan current?
Yes, sir.
When will it be paid off?
Ooh, let's see. I got it last year, so I think it was a 5-year loan. So 2027.
And your mortgage, how is that a 5, 10, 15, 30?
30 years.
30 year. So your current child support obligation is $1,350 a month. Do you have that much in the bank today?
No, I do not, sir.
How much do you have in the bank?
I have about $300 right now.
All right. And you indicated that you're willing to make a child support payment. So are you willing and able to make a payment of $300?
Just give me 1 second. Can I check my account quickly?
Well, we don't really have time for that at this point. So
I should be able to pay $300 by Friday.
$300 by Friday.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I can start making the payments every week.
Okay.
Of $350, or I think it's $375 or something like that every week on Fridays.
And has the friend of the court explained to you how to make direct payments? Because that's what you would have to do.
I've never done it before, so this is the first time I've ever experienced it. So I don't know how I would go about that.
So, Ms. Mullen, could you provide Mr. Porter with the information that he needs to make the payments, directly?
Absolutely. Mr. Porter, you can also pay cash locally at our Traverse City office in the courthouse during business hours. We sent you a letter back in September 2023, but we can certainly indicate and provide you more information on different ways you can pay support. And you have the entire month to pay each month. And again, either of you have the ability to request a review from our office if you wish, moving forward.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Porter, thank you for your patience. Court would like to hear from you as well today. Do you have any particular points that you would like to make?
Not necessarily any points. From my understanding, when Michigan took over, I believe in September, for the child support, there were letters, and even Bradley was served with papers, I believe. So I'm not sure that he didn't realize that this was still going on, that he was supposed to be paying. But I really don't have much to bring up other than that.
So what I'm going to do today, Mr. Porter, is I'm going to adjourn this hearing to monitor for payment. You indicated that you're going to make a $300 payment tomorrow. We'll see if you do that. At this point, I'm expecting you to pay the full amount of child support each month. And when we come back, if you're not doing that, I'm going to more likely than not hold you in contempt of court. So we'll see. But it's really up to you at this point, Mr. Porter. You know that this is the case exists, so there's really no more excuses. So we'll come back and see where we are. But at this time, court is adjourned.
You're receiving disability benefits.
Okay. He has some decisions to make. You know that you have a $30,000 car. You know that you still have children, but you're around here saying you didn't know that you must pay child support. But you're not helping mom. You getting 80% per month on top of you doing a part-time food delivery service. So you're making side money in addition to, but you're still not doing nothing to help mom. So the court is being real lenient with him because he has PTSD and possibly because he's a VA veteran. But he better get it together because this judge is not playing with it. But nevertheless, this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, subscribe as we'll be coming to you more videos in the future. And once again, we'll see you in the next video.